Hello, my name is Maria Santander. How to present and defend idea. What, in my opinions, I think that in science, but it happens so often. You set intervene is as soon as possible. Look at casting and reduce the consequences. And waste our times to do it when it happens. The United States is considered an easiest country to the access weapons, since there is now regenerated control in the regulation of weapons, because it is a right stipulated in a use birth or rise with the mentions, sent a which order the militias is necessary for the security of a free state. The rights of the people to the pedals and birds are what not be the violated. Bird lands. Rights and sentence and the friends. Points and weight lies to raise in the following. Fahar, they are raised to on laws the possession of weapons in order in order to the precedents demos but they must be controlled. And I mean that the president finalists set those to debate the issues and stipulates the conditions in which and weapons can be obtained in a safe the West. The topic opened the lower west of the people do labor cliff. I wear weapons that without any restrictions. Life is looked at summits that happen when someone has a gun. And raising the person out. Um, the person out is a light in the curtains. The curtains in English to see a Latinos, the black or the Muslim, Swiss and the big guys has his guns. The current chair has half been so famous for the heavens, the Sanford, the bullying, and so sure. Look at what they have managed to do with weapons. Um, uh, in other ways in which I see the laws and with the lights the life and that's in which be descendants that's as a signs of the liberations of Ostenance the weapons. Much shouldn't they have been taken a place in different states, such as Texas, Ohio, according to ace red sports, ice rich France radios do not. uh, to face attached is to 10 days. Um, they that the year by the enjoying the la and lat year the there was the 2020 incident which the firearms and which 2 days a half life 8 hours the 787 people that it's 74 and 16 the three homeless on the others hands to suicide with the variants and added to the problems which of converts to the NGO is 20 the is 2000 outside per year. Do not 20 the 90. Note, I lamps the phrase in Kent integrates with the was Donald Trump mentions I did not have a guns. That of being 20 says that I wait have had hundreds more that the out um, I feel about in all respect the openness, but how God give me the soul that well have been more that it is something that I would not be so what happens. So I do not agree with is as for me. I think that in a case like this, it is the necessary to carry out investigation to be able to discern whether to change the Lord of not that it to reach an agreement to be able to regulate grand control in the United States. Now we do have the number of students and that would not grant control and because not looking at the other side of the coins. Environments which grant the control. So you the which have two opinions to improve things. Si, situations of students in the United States.